Well, it was first thing was an unforgettable day, I think, for both of us. After all the history that we have behind us, like rivals, be together at the same part of the court, fighting for a team, is something that I think we really enjoyed a lot. The atmosphere for this match and for the whole weekend is being fantastic. Czech crowd here in Prague is doing great. We feel very lucky to be part of this great event for the first time in the history, and have the possibility to have Roger next to me is a huge privilege, and it's something that for sure I want to make that happen at some point, and today was the ideal day to make that happen. Having Bjorn and John there supporting the teams and playing for Europe and having a great team behind us. I am so happy and to enjoy that moment. We enjoyed it a lot, but at the same time to win that match.
And I agree. He said it all, but no, for me personally it was a great moment too. We only ever practiced once together, back at the World Tour Finals, I think. So we don't, practice a lot. We don't show stuff to each other a lot, and we'll always forever be rivals when it comes, as long as we're active. And after this, we'll be rivals again, thank God, or unfortunately, however you want to see it. But this was something very special. It's been an absolute pleasure sharing the court with Rafa on the same side of the net. Knowing you can trust him in the big moments, seeing his decision making, seeing his thought process was very interesting, and I'll take this as memories for a lifetime for sure.